How to use Grabfood Voucher code. Grabfood makes ordering meals easy, and voucher code help you save money while doing it. Let's walk you through how to apply them step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and open the Grabfood app into your device. Make sure you set the correct location of the delivery and then go ahead and select a store where you want to order an item. So on the store, simply select an item that you want to order. So simply click on this plus icon at the bottom right of the item to add it to your basket. Now on the checkout section, go ahead and scroll down and you should find this offers button. Click on this and then click on use grab gifts and then go ahead and enter the voucher code into this section. Once applied, you'll see the discount reflected in your total instantly. Watch out for minimum spend requirements, location restrictions, and expiry dates. Remember, you can only use one voucher per order, so choose the one that gives the biggest savings.